Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally, and in today's video I have a subscriber recommending to me to maybe try out the double layer scrunchie videos that are everywhere. So I thought that I would try 4 different types of materials that I've got. Let's get into it. So these are the fabrics I'm going to use. They're 40 inches long, the width is 5 inches, and the smaller one is still 40 inches long, but it's 3 inches in width. Elastic is 7 inches. Those two are 40 inches in length, but I didn't have quite as much fabric with these ones, so I'm going to see how these come out. This one is 35 inches in length, and this one is 24 inches, so we'll see how we get on with that one. gorgeous is that? That has massively made a difference to, do you remember some of the giant scrunchies that I did in another video? I wasn't so sure about this fabric, but today, mixing it up with the lace in the side, that just looks so cool. I love that one. Right, let's see how the others get on. I'm just going to speed through. Next, we're going to do this yellow cotton fabric with this nude colour organza. I'm going to do this beautiful dusty or dusky pink, I'm going to say dusty pink fabric, polka dot, which my mum kindly gave me, which I really do love. Shorter one, which again I think they've got this nice fun fabric to go with the lilac organza. So that was the first one. Really like that one. Love it. That's the one with the lace in it. Then we got the yellow one. Really digging that one as well. Love that. We've got the polka dot one, which is the 35 inches in length one. I like that. Bit different. And then finally, this is the 24-inch one, which is really quite small. So I still like it. So there's all four. Had fun making them, and hopefully you can try some out. If you enjoyed my video today with the double layer scrunchies and that it gave you perhaps some incentive to make some, I hope that the tutorial works well for you. And if you're new to me and you enjoyed this video today and the content, then please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as a viewer. And also don't forget to hit the like button because it really does help the channel grow. And also I'd love to have you on my journey. So let's go for it. All right then, take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. What do you make of these, Layla? Any interest? She's too tired.